What a beautiful morning. Well, nothing's gonna mind itself. Better get started. It's a bright new day, a great time to play. Every second here is endless bliss. When I start to build, oh my life's a thrill. Is there a better life than this? Sunshine shining down through the rainbows in the sky. I close my eyes and feel right at home. No. Creepers, menace, silverfish, relentless, caves, endless, lava, threats, berries causing pain. I'm sick of stopping grain. Tools always breaking in, and piglets are insane. Mobs moving in, I just wanna sleep. Zombies at my window, now I'm craving me. Trampling, cross, endermen stealing blocks, using golden clocks. I'm about to blow my trap. Oh, what I really mean is, I know I was angry, but now I'm cheerful and free. Playing no block tunes as flowers bloom. Smiling kid at you, not a single fear. Nothing beats a frown like a bright new day. I'm happy, I'm happy, slap happy. La 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 la. I'm happy, too happy. You see, everything turned out just fine. No, Doggo, come back. No, son of a... Noobs, annoying, just stop the grief. Wanna taste the honey? Deal with angry bees. Fire spreading fast. Oh no, was that a gas? I suck at taming cats and the lag is... Let's enchant, now it's cursed. 1.9 game is worse. Love the sky, always rains. What are even village trades? In the mines, out of light. Sacrifice this andesite. Got some diamonds out of room. Walk a path, lost it too. Keep your head up high, they said. Smile big and look to the sky. But when I try, I'm stressed. Things I love put patience to the test. My craft is a mess. To call perfect is a stretch. With a slip and a fall, it sends me off the edge. It's funny how you fall straight down, and just like that, you're back to wood. Why even build if you just get killed? I'd fall through bedrock if I could. I hate this game. No, I don't wanna stay. Why even play when every day is just the same? Oh, I hate this game. I hate you so much!
I challenge you sissies to a rap battle! You got the kahunas to take me on?
You just happen to be looking at the president of the Rap Battle Club. So we'll have to take it easy on you, little man.
Ha! Little man, that's funny. Bring it on, princess. I can take you in my sleep.
Girls,
Oh, crap!
3, 2, 1, go!
president of the rap battle club my behind!
Oh, boyfriend, you're my hero! Mwah! Ooh, you taste like power!
Nice! Come on, babe, let's blow this joint.
Now what?
Lately I've been talking with a ghost. He tells me all the places I should go. He makes me paint my face so that I know that I'm not the only person in my soul. He tells me that a monster lives inside, and when he gets too angry I should hide. Cause if I were to try to pick a fight, I would barely stand a chance and I'd die. Two-Face called me a Harvey, never know when it could change. Tried to talk to my reflection, but he said he wants my name. Wake up the beast, bury the bones, enjoy the feast, take all control when I give you my soul. Bury the bones, enjoy the feast, take all control when I give you my soul. Lately I've been talking with a ghost. He tells me all the places I should go. He makes me paint my face so that I know that I'm not the only person in my soul. He tells me that a monster lives inside, and when he gets too angry I should hide. Cause if I were to try to pick a fight, I would barely stand a chance and I'd die. Two-Face called me a Harvey, never know when it could change. Tried to talk to my reflection, but he said he wants my name. Wake up the beast, bury the bones, enjoy the feast, take all control when I give you my soul. Bury the bones, enjoy the feast, take all control when I give you my soul. Lately I've been talking with a ghost. He tells me all the places I should go. He makes me paint my face so that I know that I'm not the only person in my soul. He tells me that a monster lives inside, and when he gets too angry I should hide. Cause if I were to try to pick a fight, I would barely stand a chance and I'd die. Two-Face called me a Harvey, never know when it could change. Tried to talk to my reflection, but he said he wants my name. Wake up the beast, bury the bones, enjoy the feast, take all control when I give you my soul. Bury the bones, enjoy the feast, take all control when I give you my soul.
Blimey! This might be getting on me last nerve! Ah!
I feel different.
I'm feeling a bit yellow myself. Freddy! We was tightening the leaking pipes you told us about. It sprung a massive...
sounds like quite the predicament. Alright, let's give this cheat code a try. A, B, B, yodel a little, yodel a hee-hoo. B, B, up, kick the machine 8 times. Forward, back, 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 left, up, right, circle, right, back, left, left, B, B, type 1987 on the side of the machine, forward! Why, hello there. My name is Freddy Fazbear.
Success! Another foe defeated!
Have you guys seen Bonnie today?
I thought he was still asleep.
What's that?
We gotta find him! We've looked everywhere.
Monkey Pump! I've just uncovered buried treasure! We be rich, lads! What will we even do with all this booty?
Oh, we gonna be rolling in it.
The gig is up!
Ah, no, officer, I swear!
You've all been spending millions of dollars with counterfeit money!
There must be some kind of misunderstanding.
I miss me shit!
Oh, don't come crying to me, Fox!
Oh, Foxy!
Hi, Foxy.
What?
Hey everyone, today I'm gonna be attempting the 24-hour dumpster challenge. I've got the camera taped up to the side of the dumpster so you can all watch me. Here we go. Oh. Wait, is it garbage day? Whoa, okay, going up. Whoa, wait. Hey, I'm okay. Just landed in the garbage truck, but I think I should be alright. Although the compactor is turning on and, compacting. Actually, I could use a little help. It's starting to get really compact, and I can't really move.
Warning, lethal toxins within. Do not inhale chemicals.
Whoa, that's got some real kick to it. Guess I found a good spice for my pizza after all. I can never show my face on stage again after this.
Well, can't you just fix it?
That's the thing. I've tried and I've tried, but I can't find a way to get rid of it. That's why I started wearing my top hat. I'm just stuck as a freak for the rest of my days.
Wait a minute. This is a cartoon, right? Doesn't that mean we can just...
Woo!
Way to go, Foxy! Yes!
Wait, Foxy? What was all that about this being a cartoon?